Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video on ticker symbol FUSZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some more updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, it's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I want to just try to make this as clean as possible, not have, lines all over the place and risk causing confusion via clutter. So let's try to keep this as clean, like I said, as possible. First update, though, that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $1.80 I talked about as resistance yesterday, but now that the price is above it, as the rule states, you would want to see it act as support. And so far, so good. Price broke above it. And then on a couple times this afternoon, the bears try to press down through there, but the bulls did do a good job of holding strong. So $1.80 seems to, at least for the time being, solidified itself as support. In the event the price cannot hold above there, then you still have the overall trend indicator acting as support, which is that purple line there, that famous 50-period simple moving average. In regards to levels of resistance, $2 is still public enemy number one. Now, I would definitely agree that $2 was weakened up, given that the price did actually get up above there for a decent amount of time today. But because the price could not stay up above that break point, the $2 still does have to be considered that area of resistance. So $2 remains that kind of the annoying thorn in the side of the chart. If the price can push up through there, though, then you have where the party stopped today, right up around the 215 mark. All in all, though, price continues to put in higher lows ever since bottoming out back here in April, on April 4th, I should say. So, and as you see, as long as the price puts in higher lows, everything else will take care of itself. So focus on building those higher lows, focus on staying up above that purple line, and like I said, sit back and just let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.